Would you like to discover 3 free PLR sites so you can get some free PLR? Well, if you do, stick around to the end. My name's Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright, let's go check it out. Now, the first site we're going to be looking at today is called plrdatabase.net. It's one of my favorite sites because a lot of the products are really quite new and they're constantly updating, so you know you're going to be getting some of the latest content that's out there. Now, to be able to find the free database stuff, you can just log in, and once you do, you can go over here to the marketplace section and you can click on here. But if you decide to pay for it, let's have a look at the price before we go any further. If you decide that you want to pay for, get a premium product or anything like that and go full on, you can get a yearly membership for $49 a year, which is a Premium Plus membership, and that allows you to have that for an entire year for $49, which I think is pretty good for the price. So let's go back over here. But if you decide that you want to just go to the marketplace and you want to just go for the free things, you can do that as well. Now, this is what the whole video is about free membership. So we're going to be looking at the free products right now. So I'm just going to click on that section just here, wait for that to come up, and then we will go ahead and look for more. As we go through, you'll notice that if you hover over the top of it, you'll be able to see what sort of license it has. It has master resale rights, over here master resale rights, and you'll find a lot of these, some of them are private label rights, but the majority of them are master resale rights. However, to find out the private label rights, all you have to do is go free PLR, and then once you've done that, all you have to do is click on that and it'll bring up a lot of the free PLR products that you can download. If you look over here, you'll have got the mega pack here, 313 royalty free music tracks. Then you got over here some more music tracks, and over here you got some articles that you can download, not 100 articles just there. And right here you got done for you promo emails, which is 950 of those, and it was updated in July, so you know it's fairly recent, and it's private label rights, and it's one of the free ones, so you can download that. You also have sports and nutrition, you got dog care, and these are all private label rights. But be sure that when you do check on it that it is one of the free ones. Or if you're like me and you're a paid member, then once you pay for it, $49 a year, which by the way the link will be in the description down below if you want it, you can then download that and it won't be an issue. It's really easy to just download something from here. You just click on that, and of course, being private label rights, and these guys, they give you a really good private label rights. And all you have to do is just click on that and download it. It's very, very simple, very, very quick, very, very easy. Alright, now let's go and have a quick look at the next site. The next site we're going to be looking at is called PLR Mines. Now, I love PLR Mines primarily because PLR Mines also gives you something a little bit different to what you normally would get. Now, when you decide to join up, as you can see, I'm actually a gold member, and I did that because they offer some amazing things for people who decide to join up and become a gold member. If you decide to become a gold member, you can start off for free, but if you decide to go up and become a gold member, you don't only get a membership and be able to download everything from here, but you also get access to a free ebook store. Now, I've actually turned my ebook store into a private label rights bookstore called Webstar PLR, and I sell some of my products on here, but they give you a free ebook store along with your purchase of $97 for the life of the time you got it. So you can do it for life, one-time payment, $97, and you also get yourself a free ebook store that you can then put onto your hosting, and it can be completely 100% yours, and they will also add it for you as well if you ask them to. They'll also add it to it. So that is why I have this one. Now let's go and have a look at the ebooks. Now I'm just going to go back over here to this one. Now over here you've got your private label rights, and you also have your freebies. Now over here you've got the freebies ones. Let's just click on that and we'll have a quick look at the freebies section here. Now you got here free ebooks with private label rights, and that's probably the one you want to go for. I try and steer clear of the master resale rights or private or personal use rights, but I usually stick with the private label rights because they give you far more options and you can edit them to your heart's content. So you can have a look down here, you have a little bit of a browse through here. This one here is Kindle Riches, and that's free. You can also do Hangouts, which is, I think it might be Google Hangouts, and as you go through you can have a look through what they have here. Not everything here is up to date, but that's okay. But I would strongly suggest that if you are going to do this, check out the paid option, which is $97 for life, but remembering you do get yourself a website along with that. And all you need to do is plug it into your hosting site, and you then have a ready-made business ready to go that you can be promoting all around the web. So this here is PLR Mines. As I said, you just go to the freebie section if you don't really want to pay for it. And remembering that's what this video is about, 3 PLR products. So you can get that from here. And as you can see, it's mostly ebooks, but that is okay. And as you go through, you can have a look at the next page, and you can just go around and have a look at the different kinds of things they have. So let's now go and have a look at the last one. And here we are at a conveniently named site called freeplrdownloads.com. And once again, all the links will be down in the description down below. Now with this one, what I would strongly suggest is when you go over here to ebooks, you go free PLR ebooks, because you got free PLR ebooks, free master resale rights, free, I can't remember what the SSR is, but the personal use rights are. So that might be standard resale rights, I think that is. So you can go over here and you click on that one, and it'll give you the free PLR rights that you can choose from. And these aren't too bad. I mean, they've been, like you got this one here, free PLR ebook, Google Analytics, content creation mistakes, deadly affiliate mistakes, and as you scroll through, you can go and have a look at the various ones they have. And as you can see, there are quite a few with private label rights just involved in that. And as you can see, it looks like there are up to 30 pages. I might click on the 30th page and see what I get. I might click on page number 30 and see if they are all private label rights. I believe they will be. Free PLR ebook, yep, there we go. It appears that they are all PLR and they're all free, which is even better. And you can go all the way to the last one, and they should all be free PLR. Now, of course, the deeper you go into it, the older the book will be, and it'll most likely be that the content won't be very current. But that's okay. If you're just using it to get ideas and so forth, you can do that. Now, another thing you can do is go over here. You've got free PLR videos. I don't think the range for the PLR videos is overly huge. It's not very huge. It's only 6 PLR videos, but that's okay. You'll primarily be using this for your ebooks anyway, so just click on that and just go to your free ebooks and make sure that it says PLR, and then just go from there. Alright. Now if you'd like to discover the 3 best places where you can go to sell PLR products that you've edited, then go check out this video right here. And down here is a video YouTube believes you might like, and over here is a picture of my head, and if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.